Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel for, as you can see, a video I haven't done in a very long time. I have a planner sticker haul for you and I am so stinking excited. This is going to feature 5 different shops from Etsy. Some are repeat shops, some are shops that I've purchased from for the very first time, but I was so excited about my Erin Condren daily duo that I get to move in very soon. I'm so psyched about that I needed some new stickers. I haven't done sticker shopping in ages, literally ages, and so I went and I spent a little bit, and I'm really excited to share with you what I got today. So let's jump right in. First, we're going to start with stickers from a shop that I have purchased from before. This is Planner Kate. Now, these are really cute. Right off the bat, we have some really cute freebies that she threw in here. Practice, dentist, work, hair appointment, therapy, meeting, payday, chiropractor, and massage. We have some cute icon stickers that she threw in. We have habit trackers. We have just plain labels, which are awesome to have. And then we have a bunch of payday flags. Who doesn't love being able to mark payday in their planner? So those were the freebies that Planner Kate threw in for me. This is the stuff that I actually ordered. This is just a sampler I got. I wanted to try out some different things because I have a new format for my planner this coming planner season. And so I got just a bunch of different labels to try out, some quarter boxes, and then it comes with icons that you can either throw in the boxes or use separately. We also have these side washi strips, which are awesome. I love me some rainbow washi strips. And then I got just a Planner Kate sampler to kind of show me a little bit of everything. We got reading stickers, family time, clean the house. We got some check boxes, weekend stickers, some hydration labels, check boxes, and her little mini people. And then we also have, again, the washi strips. Then I got just a couple of functional planning things as well. I got heartworm medication for Gracie. I give her medications once a month on the 1st. So the fact that I have so many of these, this is literally going to last me like 3 years. I lied. It's going to last me a lot more than 3 years because this is 12. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, at least 5 years. I've got at least 5 years worth of heartworm stickers out of this one sheet. The same goes for the pedicure stickers. I mean, hello. I only get a pedicure like once a month, if that, and given coronavirus, I haven't gotten a pedicure in, I don't know, 6 months? Yeah. So this is going to last me a long time too. Worth it. Then we've got cleaning day. I love this. I love all the colors. I'm just drawn to the rainbow-ness of it all. It's awesome. And then I saw these and I had to have them because it's thaw. Like, put your meat out of the freezer, Brianna, and I'm really bad about that. So I figured throwing these in my daily planner, not a bad life choice. Then we have some grocery shopping labels. Again, all of these have the washi strip that you can use on the side of it, which I think is a really great little extra. And then my last Planner Kate sticker is clean the bathrooms. And I just really like the way these are laid out, and I feel like they'll fit in the daily planner really nicely. So that was everything from Planner Kate. Now let's move on to another sticker shop that I have used before and I absolutely adore because of the quality of the stickers. These are, I don't even know what paper she uses. It's an Avery paper. I don't know what she uses, but this is Libby & Co. And I have ordered several orders of stickers from them over the years. I'm a big fan. She sent a little icon sampler here, which is really great. I love when shops include samplers. And then I just ordered some fun functional things. This says work with a little laptop, which makes a whole lot of sense for me, right? I ordered 2 sheets of date night because you guys know date night is a priority and my husband and I have one every single week regardless of if we go out. So I got 2 date nights. I also got a fitness one because hello, do you know me? So I have my workout labels. I can go for a walk or cardio, and then I have kettlebells for weight day. And then the last thing I got from her was a meal prep one. So we actually have some groceries here. Some of these say meal prep and some of these say meal plan, which is something you guys know I'm trying to get better at. So my hope is if I put it in the planner, I'm more apt to do it. So that was quick and easy from Libby & Co., but I'm very excited to have all of these. Now I have 3 sticker shops that this is my first time purchasing from them. And so I'm very excited to share with you guys my first experiences with these shops. The first one is Minted Papery. You get a little sampler again, super, super cute. Look at how cute that is. I love that. What I ordered from Minted Papery are Change the Sheets. Again, in rainbow colors, because you know I love some rainbows. Do you see what this one is? Change your loofah. How many of you need to change the loofah you have in your shower right now? This is your reminder to do so. You're welcome. Then we have Clean the Coffee Maker. And then because this was my first time with this shop, I went ahead and just purchased a sampler. You can get this sampler in any color that she offers. There's a whole list of colors. I just happened to choose teal because I don't know why, but it's got a little bit of everything. Laundry day, we got bill due, we got checklists, to-dos, flags, habit trackers, the works on this sheet. And then these are just little meal plan sheets. You can just, pop them in every day and write down what you're having for dinner or whatever. So that is Minted Papery. And don't worry, I will have all of these shops linked down below for you. So if you see something you like, you can head on over there and support these small businesses. Then, you guys, I'm so excited about this one. I wanted to order so much more, but I figured I'd start here and see how it turned out. This is from a shop called Planner Frenzy. So they sent a little sampler too. Super cute, right? Then the thing that drew me to Planner Frenzy was the foil stickers. Why did that draw me to them? Because you can pick what color foil the stickers get foiled in, which means these were all custom made just for me because I chose the pattern and the color, which was awesome. So, and I don't know if this camera is going to do it any justice. First we have Doughnuts because I just wanted to get something fun, and I picked like a pink, magenta pink color. I have no idea if that's coming through or not, but these are just little sprinkled donuts. I got 2 of the filming things, and if I give you guys a second, can you figure out what I did with the color scheme? Can you figure it out? These are Diva and the Divine's colors, the purple and the mint. So I, again, got to pick the foil color. So stinking cool. So I'm going to use these for filming days and such. YouTube-related work. Then I got a little cleaning sampler. How cute, in a beautiful blue. And then you guys, I didn't need these. I didn't need these, but I had to have them. The second I saw rainbow foil, hello, how freaking awesome is that? I love it. I love it so much. So I'm very, very pleased with this Planner Frenzy haul, and I will be repurchasing foil stickers from them in the future. She has more than foil over there, but the foil and pick your own color is really what drew me to purchase. By the way, this and Minted Papery were 2 of the suggestions you guys recommended to me when I asked on Instagram, hey, I want to go planner sticker shopping, where should I shop? So shout out to you guys for recommending these. And then my last order I just received today, and I'm so excited. This is from my Instagram friend Hannah at Han Can Plan. She is so very sweet and sent over a couple of extras alongside with my order. But you guys, how cute are these? I'm pretty positive all of these, like, this is her handwriting, I believe. I'm not positive, but I'm pretty sure. So first, here's her little sampler. I love that everybody sends samplers. How cute are those? Adorable. And then I, of course, ordered from her. These are what caught my eye on Instagram. I was like, well, shoot, I have to have those. Film, edit, upload, publish, little laptop, little cell phone, and a YouTube label. I don't know exactly how I'm going to use the YouTube labels. It might just go in my daily planner as, hey, this is the video you're publishing today. But I was so excited, I bought 2 of them. How cute are these? I can't handle it. Then the other thing I ordered was morning routine because I just wanted to order something else because I like supporting the small sticker businesses. I really, really do. And then she sent some extra goodies for me, so thank you, Hannah, for the extras. I got planner time in rainbow. How cute. We got vacation and travel-related ones, which I had to chuckle because heaven only knows the next time I'm going to use these, but I'm very thankful to have them for whenever that time does, in fact, come around. And then cleaning, y'all know I clean all the time, so cleaning stickers are more than appropriate for me. So this is from Hand Can Plan. And that's the extent of the haul. Again, a reminder, Hand Can Plan, and I'll have all of these linked down below for you. The magical foil stickers are from Planner Frenzy. I got these things from Minted Papery. Get everything up in here. My fingers aren't working. Come on. There we go. And then we have got Planner Kate up in here. And then we have got more Planner Kate. Woof. And then we've got Libby & Co. up in here. So this was my planner sticker haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any other recommendations for sticker shops I should check out, leave them in the comments below because as you can see, I'm a huge fan of fun and functional planner stickers. So I'm very, very excited to dive into my planner and actually start using these. So happy, happy day. It's planner day. I'm just so excited. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you decide to go and check out any of these planner shops. They're all really, really great quality. I'm very, very impressed. So thank you guys for watching. Take care, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!